First, connect the one end of the gas pipeline to the gas outlet of the hydrogen generator. Second, pour potassium hydroxide and distilled water into hydrogen generator. And then, connect the other end of the output pipeline to the hydrogen gas intake of oil-dissolved gas analyzer. Connect the gas outlet of air generator and the gas intake of oil-dissolved gas analyzer with gas pipeline. Connect the drain pipe to air generator. And then connect the carrier gas intake of oil-dissolved gas analyzer and the valve of 99% high-purity nitrogen gas cylinder with gas pipeline. Before connecting our high-purity nitrogen gas cylinder, you need to assemble the valve in advance. Then you need to assemble another valve with standard gas cylinder. The single ports of turret B and turret A on oil-dissolved gas analyzer are respectively connected to the corresponding ports of the data acquisition bus. Then connect the data acquisition bus and computer with the single output wire. Finally, connect the power cord of all equipment including the data acquisition bus, oil-dissolved gas analyzer, air generator, hydrogen generator, the gassing oscillating machine, and computer. After finished all welding work, we need to firstly open the valve which already assembled on nitrogen cylinder, and then start up the air generator and hydrogen generator. After starting, we need to use washing powder, water, or soup water, and then smear all connection gas ports to see if there is air leakage at the connection. If there is air leakage, we need to deal with it until there is no air leakage appear. Finally, start up the oil-dissolved gas analyzer. The temperature here already has been set. We only need to wait until all temperatures are the same as the temperature which previously set and turn stable. Then can we start the test? When the temperature value is stable, a tick will appear in the instrument to prove that it is stable. Now we have reached the first iter, and then there are second, fourth, and sixth iters to be reached. When all setting parameters which showing on the mat with tick, the instrument is ready to work, and then the instrument will ignite automatically in 10 minutes. If there is no automatic ignition, we can also ignite manually. Open the lower cover on the right and click the green button to start a manual ignition. This position is our carrier gas inlet. The upper row is the carrier gas summary table, and the lower row is the carrier gas rounding table. And then we close the cover. To judge whether the ignition is successful, we can open our detection ports. And then place the glass or metal or other smooth surface objects above the detection port. If there is no point appear on the glass, the ignition is successful. When we ignite successfully, we can restore the detection port. Insert the password doc into the USB port of computer. Then you can see we enter the operation phase of all your dissolved gas or the laser system. Double-click the transformer of your chromatograph station, then start up the computer. Then click Auto-Correct. Here we need to newly build a sample. For example, we use the name 555 to build a sample. Click the next step. Here we need to make a choice. Fill in the blank according to your required parameters. Here we choose normalization method. This place is changed to 30 because we take 30 milliliter of your sample. Other parameters remain default. Because our test doesn't take so long time, we can change it to 12 minutes or 10 minutes. Since we have two turtles A and turtle B and two 12 minutes, which together is 24 minutes. Our actual setting must be longer than 24 minutes. Generally, we can fill in 30 minutes. Then change the place to 2 and this place to 100. Restore it. And then click Next. This page is setting of a print page. We can also click Next step without changing it. When our template has been set well, we can conduct a standard gas test. Click A, click B, turn A and turn B. We have made the template in this place before, and because our standard gas verification already has been done, in this place, we don't need to do standard gas verification again. If you want to redo it, we can make the new setting according to the preferred setting way, and then we conduct the standard sample and the graphic test. We will delete the unnecessary text created before. Now we can do an oil sample test. Since we don't have a suitable oil sample now, we will only give you a demonstration test with a standard gas here. Now, firstly take a standard gas. Now we need to use syringe to fetch some standard gas from standard gas cylinder. The first syringe of standard gas needs to be expelled into the atmosphere. And we need just use the second syringe standard gas. After get the second syringe standard gas, we need to inject the standard gas into the feed port of oil dissolved gas analyzer. After injected, start up the oil dissolved gas analyzer. After injecting the standard gas, click to start the test, and the oil dissolved gas analyzer will run automatically. During the running period, we can switch to see the data of turtle B. This is the data of turtle A. The data of turtle B, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. The data of turtle A shows hydrogen, methane, ethane, acetylene, acetylene. After 12 minutes, the sampling phase will consult. We can directly click Save to store the testing results. Then we can directly right-click and select OK. and then we can directly see all data. If there are still any other questions, please feel free to contact us.